Today we are going to perform practical number 3, that is estimate and compare luminous efficiency of incandescent and compact fluorescent lamp. Then see which resource or apparatus required to perform this practical. First, autotransformer can be used for varying the voltage having the range 0 to 260 volt. Then voltmeter for measuring the input voltage having range 0 to 250 volt. Then wattmeter to measure consume power or energy by different types of lamps having the range 5 ampere, 300 volt, 1500 watt. Then incandescent lamp 200 watt, then CFL lamp 40 watt, and lux meter digital. Then with these apparatus or components, we can connect the circuit diagram as per this circuit. It shows the connection arrangement for the incandescent lamp. It is connected across the autotransformer as well as voltmeter. Then wattmeter is used to measure consumed energy by that incandescent lamp, and then incandescent lamp is connected. If all the connections are connected for the 230 volt AC supply. The previous circuit diagram.
Then we can connect first diagram as per the circuit diagram. See, we can give single phase 230 volt supply to this circuit. Then single phase auto transformer is connected having the range 0 to 260 and having two terminal, phase and neutral. The phase terminal of this auto transformer is connected to the common terminal of voltmeter. Then the common terminal of voltmeter is connected to the M terminal of wattmeter. Then M terminal and C terminal are short circuited. Then L terminal is connected to the first terminal of this load bank. Then the second terminal of this load bank is connected to the V terminal of this wattmeter. Then the V terminal of this wattmeter is connected to the range terminal of this voltmeter, and then range terminal of this voltmeter is connected to the neutral terminal of this auto transformer. Then this is the connection arrangement for incandescent lamp. So we can connect here CFL as well as incandescent lamp, but we can see the connection arrangement for incandescent lamp. So while taking the reading, we can switch on only one lamp, which is incandescent lamp. Then as per procedure, we can take reading. First we can switch on the supply. Then with the help of auto transformer, we can give the rated voltage, which is 230 volt. Then we can switch on this incandescent lamp. See, we can switch on the incandescent lamp. Then measure the wattage or power or energy consumed by this incandescent lamp, which is 100 watt. Then with the help of this lux meter, we can check the illumination. See, which is 457 lux. Then we can switch off this incandescent lamp. Then we can take the second reading. See, we can vary the voltage up to the rated voltage, that is 230 volt. Then we can switch on the second lamp, means CFL lamp. Then we can measure the lux level C, which is 1450 lux, and then check the wattage or energy consumed by this CFL lamp, which is 40. So the connection arrangement for these two lamp will be same, only the difference between that two is we can replace incandescent or CFL lamp.
Then in observation table, we can write down the reading while taking for performing the practical. In types of lamp, we can write down incandescent lamp and second CFL lamp. Then power or watt. In that we can write down power or energy consumed by that incandescent or CFL lamp. Incandescent lamp consume power 100 and CFL consume 40. Then the illumination level of incandescent lamp, which is 457 lux, and compact fluorescent lamp, which is 1450 lux. From that reading, we can calculate the luminous efficiency. The formula for luminous efficiency is lumen upon power. So the incandescent lamp efficiency is 457 divided by 100. So the efficiency of incandescent lamp is 4.57 and the CFL lamp efficiency is 36.25. So from this practical or experiment, we can conclude that as compared to incandescent lamp, the CFL lamp have high efficiency.